Welcome to Scout Systems. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up work areas and stations, the foundational building blocks of your work instructions. Let's dive into how to get these set up so you can start creating instructions right away. From within HQ, navigate to Admin. At the top center of the screen, you'll find a secondary navigation menu. Click on Work Areas to proceed. To create your first work area, click the green plus sign next to All Work Areas. This will generate an untitled area at the bottom of the page. Locate it, then click the down arrow to open the Work Area menu. From there, select Edit Work Area. Here's how you can customize your work areas. This section offers many powerful features, but for now, let's simply update the name and click Save. After saving, you will return to the Work Area screen. Click the down arrow next to your newly named work area and select Add Station. In Scout Systems, stations represent production cells. The station type defines the category, such as kitting, assembly, or press brake. You may have multiple stations under the same type. The alias is the unique name for that specific cell, aligning with your production naming conventions. Take a moment to set up your work areas and stations before moving on to the next lesson, where you'll create your first work instruction.